Hello and welcome. This is our lecture 2 of UNIT-1 of class 12 physics electrostatics. In this chapter, we are going to study the basic properties of electric charge. But before studying the basic properties of electric charge, we will study how charge and mass related. Charge और mass के बीच में क्या relation है? See, like I have earlier told you, the body which is losing the electrons will get the positive charge and the body which is gaining the electrons will get the negative charge. Suppose we have two bodies A and B. If A is giving 3 electrons to B, then B will get the negative charge. How much negative charge? -3. And A will get the positive 3 charge. Clear? Now, so A has got +3 charge and B has got -3 charge. Now, which will be having higher mass? The body which has gained the electrons, जिसने electrons gain किए हैं, उसका mass क्या करेगा? Increase. And the body which has lost the electrons, there will be decrease in its mass. So B has gained the electrons in this case, so the higher mass will be of B. So B will have more number of charges, so it will be of greater mass. Clear? So now I have a question for you that you all have to solve by your own and write its answer in the comment box, and we will discuss its answer in our next video. So the question is, I have two identical metallic spheres. I have two spheres. Suppose these are A and B of exactly equal masses. Initially इन दोनों का मास क्या है? Equal. उसके बाद हमने A को क्या दे दिया? पॉजिटिव चार्ज, और A को क्या दे दिया? नेगेटिव. One is given a positive charge and other is given a negative charge. Their masses after charging are different. इन दोनों के masses charging के बाद क्या है? Different. Now you all have to tell which will be having higher mass and which will be having the lower mass. Now let's continue with the properties of electric charge. You all have studied the basic property, that is like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. We have done it in our previous video. Next is additivity of charge. Additivity means addition of charges. Charges can be added algebraically. Charges को हम add कर सकते हैं. For example, अगर मेरे पास कोई system है या कोई body है जिसमें मेरे पास कितने चार्जेस हैं? Q1, Q2, so on, Qn चार्जेस हैं. सो नेट चार्जेस मैंने टोटल चार्जेस में कैसे काउंट करने हैं? मैं इन सबको क्या कर दूंगी? ऐड. Q1 + Q2 + so on Qn. For example, if on a body I have charges 3Q, Q, 4Q and -2Q. अभी मैंने क्या बताया? I'll add all these charges. So the net charge is equal to 3 + 1, 4 + 4, 8 -2Q. So the net charge will be equals to 6Q. Our next property is conservation of charge. Charge की conservation. Charges can neither be created nor be destroyed. Charges को ना तो हम लोग create कर सकते हैं, ना ही हम अपनी मर्जी से क्या कर सकते हैं? Destroy. It can only be transferred. ये एक बॉडी से दूसरी बॉडी में ट्रांसफर होते हैं. It can only be transferred from one body to another. So the total charge or the net charge on the system will remain constant. Now let's see it by an example. For example, I have a nuclear reaction. We will study in nuclear reaction, nuclear fission reaction. We will take the case of uranium. In uranium, the net charge before fission is 92 + 0, 92. Before fission, this is 92. And what about after fission? After fission is 56 + 36 + 0. 56 + 36 is equal to 92. So before fission, the total number of charges is 92. After fission, the number of charges is 92. So net charge remains constant, it's just charge transferred from one body to another bodies. We have one more example. Let's see in the case of radioactive decay. Again uranium decay, 92, before decay number of charges is 92, and see after decay the total charges is 90 plus 2, 92. So net charge will remain constant. I hope this is clear. Our next property is quantization of charge. Quantization means when something is available in a fixed quantity or amount. For example, I have pen. I always say, or you always say, that you have 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens. You have never ever said that you have 1.5 pen, you have 2.5 pen. These are not the quantized quantities. For example, we eat food. Food is not a quantized quantity, but pen, chalk, everything is notebook, everything is quantized quantity. So in the same way, charges are also quantized. So according to quantization of charge, charge on a body, किसी एक body, suppose I have a body A, उसके ऊपर जो charge होएगा, that net charge will be equal to integral multiple of smallest unit of charge. Smallest unit of charge is charge on electron, and integral multiple means integers multiple like positive or negative or 0. No rational number, no 1.5, 2.5, it's just positive or negative numbers 1, 2, 3 or so on, or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So it will be integer multiple of charge. Clear? So the basic unit or smallest unit of charge is that charge which electron and proton carries. And for the basic information, electron के ऊपर charge क्या होता है? -1.6 into 10 raised to power -19 कूलम. और प्रोटॉन के ऊपर चार्ज क्या है? सिर्फ ये नेगेटिव की जगह पे क्या आ जाता है? पॉजिटिव. +1.6 into 10 raised to power -19 coulomb. So we hope that you all had done with the properties of electric charge, and in our next video we will do some questions related to these topics. Thank you so much for watching.